Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your HONOR X6a. So in the first step, look for the fax app in the Play Store. Choose EasyFax, install it and open. So again this banner, you have to restart the application after a setup. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery. Like this photo and click on the import. Now you can add this as shape to your document or the picture, and if you are ready, click on the arrow icon. Then you can choose filter for photo to make it more visible. After that, click on the accept icon, type the number in this place and choose the country from the list. To send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.